Hello, in this video I'm going to show the productivity tricks on the KOBO Elipsa 2E. Okay, so when it comes to the productivity, the best feature I think this device is the notebook session. So click on the My Notebooks right in here on this bottom bar, and let's create a new note. Let's click right in here, and let me show you the features that we have right in here. So we have the basic notebook, which allows us to write everywhere. I'll show you all of that options, so don't worry. But first we need to create a notebook name. So I'll just type anything. Now let's click on save, and now we have access into our notebook. In here we can draw and type anything that we want, completely anything that we want. If you want to use the rubber to get rid of this text, simply use this part of your pencil, which is attached into this device, and simply get rid of the text or your drawing. Now release, and we have clean sheet right now. Also, we can of course draw our stuff, so you can also create your drawings right in here. So you can play with this device. So that when it comes to the basic notebook. If you click right in here, you can see some more options. On the left side you can change the brightness. If you click on that icon, and next to it we have the simple pencil mode right in here. It's now selected. If you click right in here, now we will be able to select the part of the screen, and for example you can resize it, convert it, copy, or delete it. So let's say we delete it, click on that, boom, it disappears from the screen. Same thing for example with that. Let's delete it, and now let's copy that part of the screen. Click on copy. Now let's click on paste, but I don't even know how to use that feature. Maybe it will be in the hints, because if you open up the hints you'll see a list which you can do, but in here I think it's not available actually. But I really would like to copy or actually paste the thing that I just copied. So let's select this part, for example. Let's click on copy. Okay, now I think it has been copied, but I don't know how to paste it. But you know that we have option to copy right now. And of course next to it we have the rubber. We can get rid of unnecessary text or our drawings. Alright, so that was the simple mode. Now let's get back and I'll show you the second mode. Let's create a new note once again, and let's create an advanced one. So a notebook that converts handwriting into type and supports adding freeform sections, diagrams, and equations. Let's click on save, and I'll show you a few features right in here. Oh, first the name of our note. Okay, and now we have like the notebook with the lines, so we can easily write the thing that we want. So let's say we have the English lesson right now. We type our subject. We can now write our homework and do our stuff. Also, when you write on the lines, you can see the information, and it should actually disappear when we are typing on the lines. But now something weird happened, so let's try again. Let's erase that stuff, and let's try to write something. Oh, like 1 second ago it worked, but now it doesn't want. I don't know why. Weird. Okay, but I want to show the hints right in here. Let's click on those icons and let's click on hints and tips. So we can convert our handwriting into the text. We need to double tap on our text, just like it was right in here. So let's try using our finger. Let's double tap on the subject. Okay, and as you can see, it turned into normal text, not from handwriting into like the copied text. Now let's double tap on the homework. Oh, as you can see, it also worked. Now let's try some other tricks that we have right in here. So we have also the effortless editing. Scribble to delete words or characters. Swipe down with the KOBO stylus to create a space between characters or a new line. Swipe up with the KOBO stylus to join a space between characters and join two separate lines. Underline to create a heading style. Circle words to highlight them. Double tap to convert or toggle the text for easier editing. So as you can see, we have a lot of options. Now I double tap the homework, it just became a little bit bigger. I'll do the same thing with the homework. Now we can also underwrite it, and now it's simply a bigger and thicker right now, the subject. Maybe let's try something else. Now we can circle the words to highlight them. So let's do it. Let's say we will do it with the homework. And now you can see this gray square. And inside we have our homework. I'm wondering what was with that other feature, which was right in here. I just need to find it. Yeah, it will swipe down with the KOBO stylus to create a space between characters. I don't know how to use it, but I'll leave it to you to play with those features. We also have the line spacing in here. We can select into the narrow, default, or and also the white. We can change those values. Okay. We also can use those other things, such as insert a diagram, insert drawing, insert math equation, and insert freeform section. So let's use the insert freeform section. So now we have like the notebook into our mess with those small squares, in which we can easily draw the rectangles, for example, or I don't know, the triangles. And we can use the Pythagoras. So having this notebook feature is a pretty cool feature, I would say, and I would use that pretty often, I think. We also have that math equation. So let's say we need to solve a really hard task. I don't know what it can be. Okay, we have our task that we can do, and now below we can simply do our stuff and count it easily. It's really comfortable, in my opinion, to use that mode. Okay, so that when it comes to the notebook, and it really is cool for the productivity of of this device, so I think you should use that modes. And it's also really fun to use it, in my opinion, and it's pretty comfortable, all of that modes. So actually I can even say that you can go into your school only with that device. You don't need to, you know, bring your physical notebooks. You have everything right in here, and it's also pretty cool and fun to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.